So here currently I'm in my WordPress blog page, and here we can see my posts are showing. Now let's open a single post page, and here in single post page currently I don't have any related post section. Now I'll show you how to add a related post section in your WordPress. Go to your WordPress admin dashboard and go to add new plugin page. In search plugins box, type here related post, and now you have to search for this here related post plugin. So we are going to use this plugin. Activate and install and activate this here related post plugin. Once the plugin activated, I'm going to my single post page and simply reloading my single post page, and here we can see the related post section already added. Now to customize this related post section, go back to your dashboard and hover over on settings, and here click on YERP, and you will directly jump into the plugin dashboard. Here we can see post types to include. I'm selecting only post and media and unchecking these three options, and display, and here these allow by categories. If you don't want to visible uncategorized post, then you have to check this option. And now I'm here selecting display sticky notes and display only post from the past. You can select a date here. I'm selecting 12 months and scroll down, and here automatic display options, automatically display related content on. I'm selecting here only post because I want to display related section in my post page. Maximum number of posts currently selected 4 posts. If you want to add more posts in related section, you can add it here. I'm adding 8. And theme, you can select thumbnails or list. Currently list selected, I'm selecting thumbnails. And heading, you can change heading related post, and default image source, you can change image source from here. Thumbnail size, you can change it from here. And now all you have to need, save change these settings. I'm going to opening my post page in incognito window, and here as you can see I've successfully added related post section in my WordPress. Thanks for watching.